Think about the very first time you heard the word money. Was it during a fight? A bill being paid? Maybe it was someone saying, "We can't afford that." You didn't just hear those words, you absorbed them. They became your truth. But here's the thing, you're not here to just replay someone else's money story. You're writing your own. So today, I want you to do something powerful. Grab a notebook or open your notes app. Ask yourself, what money beliefs did I inherit that no longer serve me? Write down just 3. Then ask, who gave me that belief? Were they truly financially free? Now rewrite them. Money is hard becomes money flows where I focus. We can't afford that. How can I make this possible? I'm bad with money. I'm learning to master money. This isn't toxic positivity. This is rewiring. Because if you don't change the script in your head, no strategy will stick. You didn't choose your childhood beliefs, but you do get to choose what stays. This is day 4. You're not just learning how to handle money, you're healing your story around it.